Hey everyone, in this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly where to find your save files and config files for Killing Floor 3 on PC. Let's get right into it. First, open any folder on your PC. Now go to your C drive. From there, open the Users folder and click on your username folder. Next, we need to access the App Data folder. If you don't see it, click on the View tab at the top, select Show, and then click Hidden Items. Now App Data should appear. Go ahead and open it. Inside App Data, open the local folder, scroll through the list, and find a folder named Nightfall, that's Killing Floor 3. Open it, then open the saved folder. Now go into the Save Games folder. This is where all your save game files are located. To find your config settings, go back to the saved folder. Now open the config folder, then Windows Client. Double-click the file called GameUserSettings.ini. This file contains your in-game preferences, like graphics settings, controls, and more. And that's it. Now you know where to find both the save files and config files for Killing Floor 3 on PC. If this video helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.